If you are looking for one of the top tier platforms in the game, then I would like to introduce you to what is known as Tesorro365. This right here, you guys, it is game changing. Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, as stated, welcome back to the channel. We got what is known as Tesorro365. And you guys need to understand there is a lot of opportunity, especially whenever it comes to this platform. You guys will see it right here. Consider any opportunity with a leading platform. You could trade with a broker that delivers top tier services with proven reliability and precision. All right. So I want you guys to understand whenever it comes to this overall website, it definitely looks pretty clean, has a professional look, especially right here on the homepage, right? Which is pretty good. Not only that, you guys, but the whole interface here, it is designed with simplicity and clarity, making it easy for both beginners and experienced traders to navigate, right? So you guys can clearly see, everything is right here, super simple to read. All right. I also want you guys to understand, there are some smooth transitions between sections, especially like, for example, we got up here products, right? Not only that, we got trading, right? So like account types, we got company, we got legal terms, platform. So I'll show you here in just a few seconds how quick it is to get to another tab, all right, which is pretty good. Now, something that Tesoro is known for, you guys, or let's say a few core advantages that are technically displayed right here on the homepage. I need you guys to understand we're talking about they have fast execution, which is great. They have real-time data access, which is awesome. And then they even have multi-device compatibility. So I want you guys to understand that this overall platform, it definitely caters to modern traders with technology-first solutions and personalized user experience. All right. And look at this, you guys. It shows that they have over 1,000 plus assets to trade. Not only that, they got 115K active traders. And then we got 13 years on the market. So you guys, top of the line here, okay? Now, something else I'd like to briefly talk about here. If you go up to the very top, you guys will see right here that they do have different account types. So watch how fast this is, you guys. It's super fast, lightning fast, right? Pretty awesome, okay? So I want you guys to understand that they do have different trading accounts that they offer. You guys will see right here, basic, bronze, we got silver, gold, premium, VIP, as mentioned briefly, okay? So I want you guys to understand, technically whenever it comes to these accounts, they are tailored to suit various trading needs and experience levels. That is very important for you guys to understand. So you guys will see right here, technically you could dive down into these and you guys can see the minimum deposit, right? Right there, we got euros. Not only that, but as you continue, you guys will see that the leverage changes. Not only that, they do add more things to each account, right? And you guys can see that right here, gold, that looks like the most popular one. Look at that, okay? That's a pretty good minimum deposit. And then we even have premium. And then we got VIP right here, okay? So I want you guys to understand, listen, VIP, you guys, this one, it is special, this VIP membership. It actually includes exclusive benefits as obviously outlined technically in a press release that we're going to take a look at here in just a few moments. But you guys need to understand, there is a lot of benefits here. If you kind of scroll to the upside as well, you guys will see right here, products. Okay, we got many different ones. So what does this mean? Well, you guys, I want you guys to understand you can trade across. Obviously, we got like Forex, okay? We got, there's commodities, we got stocks, and you can literally do this all here in one single platform, all right? So technically, you guys, this is a way to enter into the market. We're talking about broad market access that allows users such as me and you to build a well-diversified investment portfolio within a single dashboard. As briefly mentioned, you guys, press releases, take a look here. All right, Tesoro365. You can see right here, a lot of important things happening, right? So I want you guys to understand, I mean, this right here, Digital Journal, I mean, guys, this is a reputable financial platform, okay? Pretty sure a lot of you guys have learned about this one before. Not only that, we got another one right here, right? Bar chart as well, okay? I want you guys to understand, I mean, the platform is definitely having a growth spurt here. So they have a growing reputation, especially whenever it comes to, say, financial tech community, okay, which is actually really cool. So a lot of things happening as mentioned. Now, something else I'd like to briefly explain, if you go back to the main part of the website, you guys, there's going to be some important details. You guys can see right here, like know your client, okay? So whenever it comes to Tesoro, you guys, it prioritizes user protection, especially through advanced encryption, KYC, AML compliance, and secure transaction processes. Not only that, but the platform, basically, you guys, are looking to create a safe and reliable environment for all users, which is great. And then finally, let's talk about the overall reviews here, you guys. So they do have some really good reviews. They got positive reviews. So you can kind of dive down into this and you guys can see what everyone is saying. Okay. So pretty cool. And we even got another one right here, right? Pretty good score. Okay. I want you guys to understand, I mean, a lot of people are talking about the overall platform reliability. Not only that, the smooth UX and responsive customer service. All right, because they're definitely available 24/7. So once again, you guys, there you have it. We got Tesoro365. Consider any opportunity with a leading platform. This is it. All right. So thank you guys very much. All right, guys. So Tesoro365, what did you think? Check out those press releases, check out the reviews, and obviously dive right into the website using the link down below in the description. And while you're at it, just leave a comment and tell me, what do you think about Tesoro365? Be sure to smash up that like button, smash up that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.